Hi guys, welcome back to another important video. In this video, we're going to talk about Banknifty. Now, recently in my Telegram group, I posted a small message stating that there is a medium-term correction likely to happen for 1,000 to 1,500 points in Banknifty. Obviously, this will drag all the major indices as well, like Nifty. Larger weekly time frame, we have nearly 5 to 6,000 point correction that can happen in this index. Now, all of us know that Bank Nifty is one of the heavyweights, and if this falls, it can literally take down the broader market also. In this video, now we are going to talk about wave theory. With that, we are going to explain how we can avoid pitfalls in Bank Nifty and when the major moves are likely to happen. Looking at the structure of the market when we apply wave theory, now wave theory is available in our channel itself. It's available in 4 languages. Definitely do check it out. That is the highest order of price action. This is what I've been telling a lot of people. Here, it looks like a simple impulsive move. Now, what is an impulsive move? Let me just show you. This is an impulsive move. And in this impulsive move, this is a natural path of the market. Okay, this is how frequencies in nature that take place. Bank Nifty made a very good swing low in the month of September 2025, 53,561. After that, we are rallied nearly 5,000 points, nearly in matter of couple of months. This is a very big movement which is happening in Bank Nifty at the moment. Right now, where exactly are we? If you look at this chart, you can clearly understand that yes, you think we are in this phase. Okay, you think we are in the final leg of the move. After this, what actually happens? After this, what actually happens is market goes down for a correction and you expect this swing low to be tested. Now, this is a plain vanilla example of plain vanilla explanation of what you can expect in the market. But if I go a little bit more detail, if I use my little bit of experience, I'll tell you that this is not the end. Market is still in a bullish phase. There is going to be a correction of a nature. It can be a sideways correction. It can be a good deep correction. What I want you to do is try to understand when we have learned the wave theory Elliot Wave Master course in this channel, I have told you that we have something called subwaves. All right. Now, subwave theory tells us that at the moment we are here. Let me just draw it for you. It'll be very, very clear to understand. Okay. We are at this stage here. There's going to be a rise. This drop has happened here. And now we are going up to finish the wave 3. Okay. Once we have finished wave 3, we are going for a deep correction in the market. If you connect this fall, which is going to come here, with any sort of news event, something which we know is going to happen between December 2025. So let's say December 2025 to March, these 4 months, 2026, there's going to be Bank Nifty index rebalancing, right? There's going to be that. The constituents of Bank Nifties, the weightages are going to, some are going to reduce, the heavyweights are going to reduce, and some are more constituents are going to increase from I think 12 to 15 or 12 to 14. Regardless, there's going to be some shuffling going on in the Bank Nifty index. So yes, we can expect some sort of a correction to happen. So this correction will come in the form of a wave 4. This correction will easily give us 1,000 point move. So this is what I said in the medium term, 1,000 point move is likely, more likely to happen. Again, I'm talking about a natural path. After this correction, yes, we are going for a rally in the market. We are going for a very big blow off top, something like that within the next 2 years, 2026, 2027. Now, after that, that is when the larger time frame correction is going to kick in after this 5th wave. Let me just zoom out. Now I'll explain to you what do I mean by this larger time frame correction. So since you understood something about subwave theory in the Elliot Wave Master Course, that you are seeing a wave within a wave. Okay. So here what I'll do is I'll draw a channel line for you, and you just see this price action. There was a fast rally in the market, correct? Fast rally in the market, sideways move, and then we are in the terminal state. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to draw this same channel line on a higher time frame. Let's go to a weekly time frame. Let me zoom out. So this is your high, 57,000. This is your low, 53,500. Now what do you see here? You see that there is a similar sort of a correction happening, right? There was a fast rally in the market. Market gave a correction, and now we are in the terminal phase. So basically we are inside. If you want to know the deeper state, we are this itself, this entire move itself is a wave 5. We are in a weekly time frame, and inside that wave 5, right, inside that wave 5, we are in a 5.3 wave 5.3. Then like I said, medium term correction. This is your rally, your wave 5.4, the last blow off top 5.5. This is when this entire major move will get over. Now once that happens, when this major move gets over, it can be above 60,000 also, right? It can be above that also. This is going to trigger a simple and fast fall towards at least minimum 55,000. Minimum can easily come to 53,000 also, but we're talking about minimums here. Our minimum target will be 55,000, especially this correction here. This correction and this entire region where the market triggered, you can say inverse head and shoulder if you want to, right? This entire part here. So 55,000 is the level. So this is the larger time frame picture. So far, whatever I have explained is in the time frame. This larger fall, 5,000 points fall, is in the region of 2026 to 2028. 2026 to 2028. This time frame. Now, question is there any way that the market can collapse straight down? Is there any way? So far, we have discussed the natural path. Okay. So far, like I keep repeating, we have discussed the natural path. Let's quickly discuss another path where there is an event or a crisis in the world, like a war breaks out, or there's some high political assassination, or there's some very, very negative and disturbing news which the market has not factored in. In that case, what happens? There is a fifth failure. Okay, this fifth failure causes market to collapse anytime. So this mostly happens, this failure happens in the fifth wave. This entire move from 53,000 itself is a fifth wave, like I told you in the higher time frame. So if there is an AI bubble burst, if there's a real estate market crash, this can trigger a failure, fifth failure. And yes, you are seeing a fall towards easily, like I told you, to 55,000 level. So this is minimum in case a failure comes, and most likely you'll reach 53,000 also if there's a sudden event fall, like there's a, let's say, money is moving out from the equity markets due to some economical factors, the yen, the interest rates, so on and so forth, inflation, bad data, whatever. If there's such a big event which impacts the globe, like pandemic, this will trigger an easy 5,000 points fall in the market, and it will not respect the natural path of the market. Simple. This is all, guys. This is a small explanation into what can happen in Banknifty in the coming years. This is a very long-term time frame. Investors, yes, you have to be cautious. If there is no bubble burst, or if there is no bad event happens, then yes, you can wait for the targets of 60,000 plus. then we can look for booking out our portfolio in banks for a very good correction in the market. Definitely do leave a like and comment if you want to see a deeper understanding of either Indian markets or US markets or any other index like your Nasdaq, your S&P, Dow, or you want to see Nvidia's path, which we will discuss using the wave theory. If you want to see all that, definitely do leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, keep learning and take care.